Kasabi sa'yo, dapat mo i-recycle yan.
Tsaka talaga, okay. Bayan mo to, hindi ako taga rito. Eto na. Ayan.
Candidate number? Ano bang number natin? Number 2. Is that right? Yes, candidate number 2. Diana Charisse Grace Aquino.
Talagang siya lang yung laging
Okay.
Okay, sige. May,
What is
may patutunguhan niya. What is love? Yan ang tanong ko sa'yo.
Oh, love is everywhere. Love is God. Love is your family. Love is what you feel when you are in love, syempre.
Okay.
Very good, pero hindi yan ang totoo. Eto na ang totoong question mo. Tinanong ko lang.
Hindi nakatulong yun, sorry.
Hindi, walang score yun. Pag ganyan-ganyan, yeah. Sige, eto ang tanong mo. Asmutya ng Taguig, yon. How can you solve the problem of global warming? Kaya niya na yan.
Hindi na kailangan explain ang global warming. Okay.
First of all, good evening to everyone, especially to our honorable judges and to our distinguished guests. As Mutiana Taguig 2007, I think I can contribute in solving global warming by starting with the youth. I would like to be their spokesperson by making them aware of the effects of global warming. And of course, by empowering them to advocate our Clean Air Act and all our projects here in Taguig of clean and green projects. Because we all know that the cause of this global warming is pollution, garbage, those smokes of our tricycles and all. If I can just be a spokesperson of the youth and make them passionate about this Clean Air Act, because I believe that if the youth is empowered, the youth can make great things. The youth can make a difference. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Candidate number 2?
Thank you, number 2.
Palakpak kayo ng palakpak, di naman kayo nagre-recycle.
Oo nga. Tsaka parang sa sinabi niya yung sinabi ni Jose Rizal, ano? Ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan. Tama yan, Ana.
Interpretation muna lang yun.
Yun na lang yung pagkakaintindi
Pero ang galing,
ko.
feeling niya, if I were to be a spokesperson, pero ang sagot niya, para na siyang spokesperson. Di ba?
Well,
Okay, we have candidate
malalaman
number?
natin yan.